Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AIML where you guys gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying a lot and we are learning a lot each and every day. Hope the same thing for you guys. So for the last 4 to 5 session, we are learning about association rule, right? We are just trying to understand the root and black box behind each and every recommendation system. So yeah, so these rules make up the recommendation system. Okay. So today is gonna be a coding session, guys. Hope you guys gonna enjoy it a lot because end of the session we're gonna see the working part of each and every association rule. Because like now we all know how the association rules works behind the scene, right? What is the black box of it? What is the algorithm that they are using? What is support? What is confidence? Each key terms we know. Today we're gonna discuss the coding part of association rule. Okay, guys, and before going for the session, please make sure that you guys watch all our previous session video. If you guys doesn't watch any of our video, then you will not able to have a continuation of this session. So please make sure that you guys watch all the previous session videos so that you guys can have a continuation of this session. So and one more thing, guys, if you guys doesn't subscribe to our channel till now, please make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel because like every day we are just posting a new video, so you will not miss any of our videos. Okay, so without wasting time, let us jump into today's session. So as I mentioned before, today is going to be the coding part of association rules, guys. Okay, so today you're going to see what those parameters that we are talking for the past 4 to 5 days. Okay, let's see. So association rules. So this is what the question that we're going to answer today. Okay, what is our problem statement? Suppose we have a data set of transaction from a grocery store where each transaction contains item purchased together. We want to identify the pattern or association between the products, such as if a customer buys a bread, they are likely to buy butter. Okay, simple. Sir and myself are explaining for the past 4 5 days about the market basket analysis, right? That is what we're gonna see as a coding part. Okay, guys, I hope like already we know what this is about the market basket analysis. Today we're gonna see how we can achieve the market basket analysis using the coding part. That's it. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, let's go very slow. Okay, first we're gonna import some necessary libraries, that is pandas, which is used to perform in which is used to store the data in the form of a table kind of. And then we are having some library called as mixed dot frequent patterns. I'm going to import two different things. One is a priori and then association rule. Guys, what is a priori algorithm? Just ping in the comment section. What is the a priori algorithm? I hope like everyone will answer, right? Single term. Okay, I will say the answer. Candidate said. That's it. Okay, so yeah, that is what a priori algorithm. So we are just loading two different things. One is a priori algorithm, another one is association rule. Simple, right? We are just loading by using Python. So because Python makes everything simple. Okay, now what I'm going to do means I'm going to create my own data set. That's it. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create in a form of a dictionary. Okay, I'm going to have key value pair where key is going to be the string and the value is going to be list. Okay, everything is clear, guys. If you guys doesn't understand, please make sure you watch the Python session that we have done. I think 10th session. Okay, where we have introduced you what is dictionary, what is string, what is list, everything. Okay, just go for it and learn it. Okay, so I'm just defining a key called as transaction and a list where we will be having 1 to 10 transaction, 1 2 3 4, like that we are having 10. And then bread. If it is 0 means I doesn't bought. 1 means I bought. Okay. 1 1 0. So the transaction 1 contain bread, 2 contain bread, 3 no, like that. Okay. For everything I'm having the boolean value. Bread, butter, milk, egg. That's it. Okay. Now moving on. I'm going for df. PD dot data frame of. I'm just gonna give this dictionary to data frame so that I can get a table like structure. And I'm just set index to the transaction. So the index column that I'm gonna have is transaction. That's it. Once I visualize it, guys, you just see here, I'm having the transaction. Each and every transaction, whether bread, butter, milk, egg are present or not. That's it. First transaction, there is no milk and cheese. Second transaction, there is no butter and cheese. So like that. Okay. Hope you guys understand till this point. We have just loaded our important libraries and then we have just visualized, we have created our own data set and we are just visualizing our data set. Okay. Hope you guys have a perfect understanding, right? Let's move on to the next thing. Okay. Now, I'm going to create a frequent item set. Simple. What is frequent item set? How many times each and every value repeats? That's it, right? Here, Python makes very simpler things. A priori, I'm going to pass my data set. I'm going to send minimum support. You guys know about support, right? If you guys know, just ping in the comment section. Support, what is meant by support? Okay, just ping in the comment section. Okay, I'm saying, I'm going to say, okay, what is support? the possibility of item B can be bought such that already item A is bought. That is called a support. The support value is 0.3. That means 30% of chance. Use column names. Yeah, I'm going to use the column name. Now, just see what is happening. Frequent items. Guys, see here what we are having. Okay, guys, I have mentioned wrongly. What is meant by support? Number of times the items repeats in the transaction, right? That is what support. Okay, yeah. See, bread is 60%, milk butter is 60%, milk is 60%, cheese is 5%, egg is 60%, and then butter and bread and butter, it is like 30%, bread and milk like the 30%, like that. How much support each and every item set is. Okay, that is what. That is how many times each and every items occurs in the transaction. That is called as support. Okay, now let's move on. We got a priori, right? Now we need to construct the association rules, right? Antecedent equal to consequent. That is what we're gonna construct. How are we gonna do? Simple. I'm gonna have the association rule function. I'm gonna pass the frequent item set. Where it comes from? Simple. Here, where we have applied the a priori algorithm onto the data, right? We apply the a priori algorithm onto the data. We get the frequent item list. Then we're gonna pass this frequent item list to the association rule. That's all. I'm going to use the matrix called as confidence. Now it is a statement. Support is number of times the item occurs in the transaction, whereas confidence means how many times the item be bought such that the item A is already bought. Now the confidence is the matrix, and I'm just setting the minimum threshold to 50%, 0.5. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to have some rules, right? I'm going to generate the rules. Association rules is generated. Now I'm going to just stretching. Okay, I'm just going to structure the rules. Okay, antecedent, consequent, support, confidence, lift. Everything guys know. If you guys doesn't know, please make sure you guys watch all the four sessions that we have done related to association rules so that you can able to understand. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to explain. Okay, no problem. Okay, now just see. That's it. We have done with everything. Okay, when bread is bought, antecedent, butter is the consequent. What is the support? 30%. And what is the confidence? 50%. Okay, and the lift is 0.3. Okay, 83. Okay, 83%. Okay, so it is like a positively correlation. Okay, lift defines a correlation, whereas confidence defines how many times the B item is bought such that the A is bought. Support is the number of times the item occurs in the transaction, right? Guys, I'm very excited to show these answers. Okay, hope the same thing for you guys. Okay, guys, just see here in the confidence we need to have the values which is greater than 50% because we have defined the min threshold as 50%. So you guys see here the min threshold should be greater than 50%. Okay, I hope like this everything you guys itself are able to understand. Okay, so when butter is bought, then what is the possibility of buying the bread? It is 50% of confidence, 30%. I hope like this table is able to explain for you everything. Okay, so when you are having cheese, the milk around it, because there is a 30% of chance. When let's see something differently. Okay, when bread and butter are bought, then there should be like 100% confidence that the person gonna be buying the egg. So make it somewhat nearer. So this is called as market basket analysis, guys. Okay, using this table we can say we can recommend the grocery store to keep the things somewhat nearer so that there will be a higher chance of the person can buy. Okay, let us have something else. Okay, when the person buys the bread, butter and egg, then the person is 100% confident that he or she gonna buy the bread. Okay, based on this rules I'm just saying. Okay, so yeah, this is all everything about the coding, guys. I hope like it's very simple. More than what we have learned as a theory, now the coding is very simple. Okay, now let us see the simple explanation. Association rule binding uncovers relationship between items in the transaction. Yeah, it's true. In the example such as rules such as if butter is purchased, then bread is also likely to purchase, help to understand the co-occurrence of items. The metrics like support, confidence, and lift provide insights into the significance and reliability of these rules. Guys, I hope like this gonna be a very enjoyable coding session that you guys ever seen till this time. Okay, and we're gonna see lots of things upcoming because like when we are going for a deep learning, there's gonna be something magical gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the things, guys. Simple thing. We have created our data. We have just uploaded our data to the a priori algorithm. We get the frequent items, and we are just passed on to the association rule, and then we are getting this item set. Okay, based on that, we're gonna give the recommendation to the grocery system. Okay, guys, I hope everything is clear. If you guys have any doubt, just ping in the comment section. We will take up and we will solve your doubts. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's all from my side. This is what all about the coding part of association rule. Now you guys have a perfect understanding of what is all about the association rules, its type, its terms, terminologies, what are the types of association rule we have, and then coding. Okay, hope that is a 100% understanding, guys. If you guys have doesn't understand anything, just ping in the comment section. We'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. Okay, so yeah, that's from my side. Yes, sir, over to you.
Yeah, guys. So, guys, if you have come to this session, go watch all the sessions 5 to 10 times. Do reinforced learning, and that is the core idea of learning, guys. You will not learn in 1 or 2 or 3 sessions. You have to repeat and do reinforced learning, and build your long-term objective function, like build a long-term career objective function that you want to become world's best data scientist or AIML engineer or researcher. So have that perspective, have patience, persistency, consistency, and perseverance. So these skills will help you to like learn any skill, and write in the comment section, so give us feedback so that we can improve each session for you guys. And second is absorb the information, digest the information, and then apply. So do all the quizzes, more than 1,000 quizzes live, guys, for you. Nobody does what Noble Transformation Hub does for you guys. So we are there to help you. So the concept clarity with simplicity and the application, do all the assignments, mimic this project and do imitation and learn this deeply. Go to a meta level and keep learning, and write in the comment section, and subscribe to our channels, and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification for each session, guys. Keep learning deeply. Let's move to the association rules. This is live project. So first of all, we have to import the libraries. So you know that import pandas as PD from mx 10, mx, okay, dot frequency pattern import a priori association rules, because you have to import the a priori algorithm and association rules with it. And then we have to see the sample data. Okay, once we import the necessary library, then we go and see the samples data set. So then we have to transactions. What are the transactions? Bread, butter, milk, cheese, and egg. So we have these, okay, for market basket analysis, guys. This is the world's, it actually, recommendation system actually starts with this algorithm, guys, because if you see all the e-commerce and all websites, they actually, if you see, their fundamental logics are driven by the supermart and all those D-Mart and Walmart. All those guys have applied for I'll say decades from before. They've been applying these algorithms in practice, and they are very popular. Now you see recommendation systems on Amazon, on digitally also. So you will see it works on that, because what were your purchasing behaviors, and collectively other users purchasing behavior, so it starts recommending. So same we are applying here. So we have this sample data set, and let's move to the, yeah. So then we get we define data set. Okay, then we get the, we define by df dot equal to pd dot data frame data dot set index transactions. So whatever transactions we have defined, so we are going to see, like we have defined transaction, we have different transaction IDs, because that should be unique. And then you have bread, butter, milk, cheese, and egg. So these are then, so this is our data set. Okay, you can see this. Okay, now let's go to apply the a priori algorithm to find the frequent items. That is the question we are asking, and for that we have to frequent items equal to a priori df min sport is equal to 0.3. We have to define that, and user columns true, and then display the frequent items you have to define it, and then you get the output, which is support ID. Is like, see, support ID is like, it is kind of it will do some kind of association ID, I'll say. It does the association, okay? Okay, and then it is given, it's kind of unique number aligned to a particular item, so that it shows that how frequent the purchaser buys these particular products, okay? And then based on the permutation combinations, it will recommend those items. Like Amazon, you will see that through digital recommendation, but it's already done in Walmart. You have milk and egg, you will see almost same, like you will see in the same nearby shelf, because people when make decision, and data science is all about making decisions out of insights, right? So same way they have aligned all those things. When you go to a shop, normal shop, you will do 200-300 rupees of shopping, but when you go to a supermarket, you will do 2000 rupees of marketing, because the recommendation system, the a priori algorithm of market basket analysis, it is so perfectly applied so that you are going to spend 2000 rupees. Otherwise, if you go to a normal shop, 200-300 rupees, right? So how much, let's see the optimization in that sense, right? 300 is not even, I'll say, 15% of your 2000, right? It's 15% of 2000, right? That means 75% more shopping you are doing because the algorithm is applied. Understand this, okay? Now, so we can do miracles with this algorithm. I'm saying if you understand this particular algorithm only, if you open a supermarket, you will be rich. So this is one algorithm. There are thousands of algorithms. Let's move to the other slide, okay? And now gathering is association rule from the frequent items. The rule is equal to association rule, frequent items, matrix, confidence, min threshold is 0.5, displaying the association rule, which is antecedent and consequent and support and confidence and lift. So these are very important, okay? Now we know what is lift. Now support, I have explained. Confidence, what is the confidence, okay, that the customer is going to buy the product? So that has a particular number assigned. It will be automatically, like, even I'll say right now it will be this, right? Later the preferences might change, and this algorithm will change these confidence values and support values, guys. Understand that, because it is not going to be constant, because there are variables, okay? If coffee prices increase, people will go and drink tea. So then economics applies, game theory applies, different aspects will be applied, and then it will change the numbers accordingly. So you have antecedent, and then you consequent, you have butter. Like, it's like, what is antecedent? It is like butter and bread. So when you're going to buy butter, breads, definitely you're going to buy the butter. Like, there is a confidence, okay? There is a probability that lift is like how much percentile, that like it shows 83%, right? So if you're buying butter then bread, so it's same, like better butter and bread. People also have, like, they say for their livelihood, butter and bread, right? I'm earning butter and bread, right? So because it has a very deep association, that's why you'll see 83% here. Milk and bread, there is an association. Again, it is 83. Bread and egg. So again, people eat a lot of eggs with the bread. So you can see bread omelette is it's a very famous thing human beings will eat. So again, it is more than it's really high. The support is high, and compared to bread and butter, and lift is also high. So the same way, let's move to the other. So same way you can compare. I've just given the example. So explanation. Yeah. Can we move? Yeah. So association rule mining is uncovering relationship between items. So guys, it is, if you see association rule means what is the association between different items and how people make decisions, and your algorithm has to learn that. That is the only thing for, I will say, a priori algorithm or market basket analysis, because we have to optimize the sales. We want more revenue for the company. As a data scientist, if you're working for a company, so that is the single objective, that your company should get maximum revenues in, sales in, and revenues, and then there will be more profit. That is the single objective. And based, you have to make your algorithm and model work for that. Okay, so this is the I've explained very simply, so you can associate, relate with Walmart or DMart or any mart you have nearby. You can go and check and go and observe. You will see all these marts, whether they are small or big, their basic design is same. You'll find shaving cream, erasers at the counter, chocolates at the counter, all those things, because people forget that, and at the last moment they will go and buy. And even that level of thinking is done for that design. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep learning deeply, guys. We enjoy these sessions, and we love um, learning and teaching. So you guys also need to write in the comment section. That gives us confidence. And subscribe to our channels. Like, guys, more than 70% people are not subscribing. That means that we are not teaching. We'll stop that. So you have to give us confidence by subscribing and pressing the bell icon, guys. Please, we request you. There is no, you are not losing anything if you subscribe. If you don't like, that's okay, but please subscribe to our channel so that we get confidence and we enjoy. Thank you so much. Let's move to the other section.
Yeah, guys, that's all about association tool coding part, guys. Okay, hope you guys can remember, right, where we have started. Okay, we have worked with lot of day with data. We have completed working with data, like kind of loading the data, collecting the data, pre-processing, EDA, visualization, everything we have done. A part is completed. Then we have moved on to a new thing called as machine learning, right, where we have combined the theory part as well as coding part, where we have started our journey. Okay, we have completed supervised learning. Today we have completed unsupervised learning. Can you guys able to believe it? Okay, only one more thing is remaining. It's a reinforcement learning. From the next session, we're gonna start reinforcement learning, and I promise you guys, we're gonna see a coding part of reinforcement learning. Very, very simple coding part. Okay, at the end of the theory part completes of reinforcement learning, we're gonna see the coding part. Okay, till this point, if you guys have any doubts, anything related to whatever we have taught you, just make sure that you guys ping in the comment section. We'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. As sir mentioned, right, please make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel, because like every day we are just uploading a new video. Okay, because like you doesn't need to miss any of the session. So then only you can able to come with us, because like it is a continuation of each and every day. Okay, so yeah, that's all from today's session, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the session. We have enjoyed, and we are learning each and every day, guys. Hope the same thing for you guys. So we will all meet in the next session. Until then, bye, guys. Take care. We will all meet in the next session. Bye, guys.